Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set lock on gallery on any Oppo phone. Now, if you want to lock the gallery app on your smartphone, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. Now at the end of the page, just tap on app lock. Now from here, just enable the toggle for app lock. Then tap on settings. Now from here, just create your privacy password. Then select use. Now just enter your password one more time to confirm your password. And from here, just link your privacy password to an account or to a recovery email or to a question in case if you forget your privacy password. For now, I will select recovery email. Now in this section, just enter your recovery email. After you enter your recovery email, then tap on confirm. Now from this app list, just find your Photos app. Now once you find your Photos app, just enable the toggle for the Photos app on your smartphone. And once you do that, you will lock your Photos app, just like that. Now if your Oppo phone does not have this feature in the Settings app, and if you want to lock the Photos app on your smartphone, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, tap on Get Started. Now from here, just create your passcode. After you create your passcode, then tap on Create. Now just enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Then tap on Save. Tap on Understood. Then tap on Let's Do It. Now from this app list, just tap on App Lock Pro and enable this toggle. Then tap on Permit and Continue and select Allow. Now just tap on Permit and Continue, then enable this toggle. From here, tap on OK. Now to lock the gallery app on your smartphone, under the Unlocked section, just look for the Photos app. And once you find the Photos app, just tap on the lock icon in front of the Photos app to lock it. Just like that. And you will find the locked apps under the Locked section. Now if you go to the home screen and open the Photos app, as you can see, we have successfully locked the Photos app on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can set lock on gallery on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.